Today, we're going to talk about the different apps that you can use with Canva. Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody. Let's get started. There are 3 different types of apps that you can use with Canva. You can design with your favorite media, you can enhance your images, and you can supercharge your workflow. There's Google Photos. You can pull images from your Google Photos to your design. Google Drive. You can add images straight from your Google Drive to your Canva design. You can add your Canva design to your Google Drive. You can look at Google Maps. You can embed a map into your design. This is really important if you're a business and are trying to show where you're located, or if you're having a party and want to share where that party is going to be. You're in your design. You go over here to the More tab. When you scroll down, Discover Content From, and here are different apps for you. Google Maps. And you can type in what you want, or even a specific address. You just put in an address. Let's say 802 Walnut Avenue. I don't know if there's an 802. Wow. I did not know that there was really going to be an 802 Walnut Avenue. And it looks like it is a little place called, or by a little place called Clark's Barbecue in New Jersey. So if you're in Cranford, New Jersey, you might want to check some of these businesses out, including what I'm guessing is a small business called Clark Barbecue. QR code is another app. Look right here, QR code. You tap it, you can type in your address. Generate code. Let's type in Giphy. Discover content from Giphy. And you can type in, let's say that we want to do dancing. What about dancing sticker? Here we go. This is a fun little thing that you can also do. Let's make it pink and duplicate it. Give it a hollow effect. We'll put this dancing backwards and this dancing forward. And look at that. That's pretty fun. All right, now let's look back at our apps directory. The next thing you can do is enhance your images. And we're going to look at 3 different ones to enhance your images. And this isn't even all of them. There's one missing called blur. The first one we're going to look at is frames. This isn't the frames like you would normally look at. Oh, you know what? I'm looking in the wrong place. You got to tap the image and go to Edit Image. And this is where all of your image apps will be. Frame. So you can click that and you can put the picture into a frame. Just like this. Let's try different ones here. A neon blue frame, a pink, and it appears that some of them you can change the crop position or change different things. When you click on it, if you see a control panel, it means that you can adjust something in it. But look at this. This one's fun. You can change it to 4:3, 3:2, 16:9. You can change it to be portrait. You can change the crop position. Let's look at the next one called Pixelate. So let's grab our watermelon image, edit image. I started to type in Pixelate and it automatically generated it for me. Pixelate, and you just need to use it. So now it's connected, and there are several different ones that we can look at. So we can pixel it, which makes it look like that. Micro, grain, pellet, polar. Now that one is really fun looking. I like that a lot. Shatter, dots, and matrix. Now here's the thing. Let's go to polar. You can actually click the control panel and change some things. So let's change the radius. You can change the segments for it to be really pixelated. I really like that. I've not played around with this one before. And let's look at this one. We've done one recently called How to Blur Faces, but you can use blur in a different way. Click on your image, edit image, type in blur. Let's use it. We're just going to give this a little more blur here by edit image, blur, and then clicking on blur and just going around the rabbit. If you let go, it will blur. So I left clicked and blurred, and you see it just gave it a softer edge around it. Now I missed this, so let's blur that, and you can just keep using your mouse and blurring different images. When you let go, it blurs this segment. That's how you can use blur. By the way, you click done, apply. Here's the thing. Some of these image enhancers take a while to process. Saving pause. That one didn't take as long as it does sometimes, but you just have to wait for it to finish. And now it is finished. Let's go back to the apps directory. There's a few other things that you can do, which is supercharge your workflow. And these are things that involve Pinterest, Twitter, OneDrive, LinkedIn, Slack, so much more. You just click the arrow and you can go through, but you can also find these things by clicking share and then clicking more. And it will tell you that you can share it this way: view only link, template link, present record, save to folder, etc. Social media, you can save it in these ways. You can automatically mail it out. You can put this in a design in Movely, and then there's more options. There's a lot more options. So if you have accounts with any of these and you hook Canva and those together, then you will be able to use them. Are you ready to app smash? Are you app smashing already? Did you know what app smashing was? Because look now, so I used the blur app on this image. What if now I decided that I wanted to add a filter and I wanted to change it to peony? And you see, now it's brighter, but the blur effect is still there. And I can try different things. My blur effect remains the same, even with the different filters which adjust the colors. Put it at that. Let's go back to edit image. And now when I go to adjust, you're going to see what that filter did. I'm going to leave the Canva app directory in the description for you so that you can check them out. And all you need to do is click one of these things and it will tell you what it is. I'm guessing that if I click use in a design, it will open up a new design. Let's see if that's the way it works. Let's click Trippy, use in a design, and then it prompts you to open up a design. So let's just open up a Facebook post and see what happens. Look, it automatically pulls up something with the app open. That is amazing. And then you can play around with it. that is amazing. Let me know which one of these apps you need a tutorial on. I would love to create more things for you. And, or if you're having, oh, wow. Hope you enjoyed the voice blooper. See you next time. Bye.